It's time to craft. Let's go.
Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have a trash to treasure DIY for you. This is one of the accent decor pieces that I am going to be uploading to the channel every Tuesday. And what I'm doing is just prepping my containers for the paint. And as you can see, I have some large cans that came from my daughter's job that they saved for me. And I have some pickle jars here that I am spraying some Krylon spray paint on in the color white. This is a glossy film, but guys, let's just see what I'm up to. As you can see here, I have this beautiful napkin that I purchased from Big Lots. It was only 99 cents. So what I decided to do was take that extra film off the back of it. And now I am cutting the napkin, and then I will be cutting it again into smaller pieces, because what we're going to do is create a patchwork or a quilted look on these jars. Now, what I did was I thought I was recording the process, but I wasn't, guys. So all you're going to do is take some Mod Podge, and then you're going to take your little square pieces and you're just going to dab the Mod Podge around the whole jar and apply your tissue paper or napkin paper. And now I have some of this pretty metallic gold paint, and I am going to put it around the rim of this jar just to give it a more masonry or ceramic type feel. Now you will see me use some different containers throughout this series. As you saw, I have the cans that you'll see me use those in next week's DIY. But for now, all I'm doing is just painting this jar neck in the color metallic gold. So guys, I want to welcome everyone back to the channel. I know that it's been a while since I've been uploading a DIY. As many of you know, I lost my sister, and it's been a couple of weeks. It's actually been over a week since we've buried her. I'm doing okay. I'm at the point of acceptance, and while my heart still grieves for her, I'm at peace knowing that she's in a much better place than I am. So again, thank everyone for your thoughts, prayers. So as you can see, I did apply this gold paint to the top of this jar, also to the bottom. And I wanted to use this napkin, and I will be using napkins a lot in this series because the next couple of DIYs I may or may not do some projects from some of the high-end stores. I did get inspiration for these jars from something that I saw on Pinterest. As you can see, I haven't used that Gorilla Glue, so it dried up. So that was no good, and it was really brand new. And then now I decided to take out some of that Aleene's clear tacky glue. It works really well also. And I did spray paint the lids to give this a little lift. I didn't want the jars sitting flat, so I most definitely wanted to add some height and make sure that this DIY was budget friendly. Outside of the napkins, everything else I had on hand, so this project is really just cost 99 cents, and I cannot wait for you guys to see how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. It is most definitely giving spring vibes. You gotta let me know. But yeah, the napkin is gorgeous. And again, I have two sizes of jars. One is a little smaller than the other. The larger one was a Great Value brand hamburger pickle, while the smaller jar was a, what's that brand? Mount Olive sandwich stuffer. But nevertheless, this turned out super cute. And now I'm going to add some florals to this. I was going to add a different type of decor piece inside of it and really do more with this, but I decided against that because I want, again, to make projects that are cost effective, and anybody that wants to recreate this will be able to do so with, any jar. You can have a spaghetti jar, you can have a jar of peanut butter. It doesn't necessarily have to be a glass jar, but because I was inspired by another DIY that was on Pinterest, I decided to just use the jars that I have on hand. And I am going to be using, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using a lot of the cans and jars in this series because I want to start to clear out some of the items that I have in my storage bins, in my crafting room. And trust me, I've been collecting cans and jars for a very long time. And these are things that I'm going to be making that I will be gifting to my mom so that they can sell them in her church's thrift store. So guys, we are just about at the reveal. All I'm doing again is using these beautiful florals and making a planter out of this. Now keep in mind, you don't have to use this as a planter. You can leave it just as is and style it. And here we are at the reveal, guys. Look at this. Is this not cute? It's cute. I think it turned out super cute. Very springy, and I loved how I paired it with these rabbits that I purchased from Big Lots. They were only $4.99 a piece. They're really, really cute table sitters. So guys, that's all that I have for you tonight. Again, join me every Tuesday for one accent DIY. So until the next video, bye for now.